How to deal with cracks or chips in your windshield. Something hitting your windshield makes a loud, forceful, and ominous noise. The end outcome can range from a minor chip to a more noticeable crack. Your windshield may develop cracks in other ways as well. For instance, you might hit a significant pothole and experience a shock to your chassis. If you don't check your car often, which all drivers should do to ensure it's in top operational shape, you might not even notice the crack. Whatever the cause, you should always repair a cracked windshield as soon as you can. There are several causes. If left unattended, cracks in your windshield can spread, but in some circumstances, taking prompt, decisive action may allow you to avoid having to replace your windshield. For a cracked windshield, you risk receiving a ticket. Your windshield's cracks pose a threat. Why cracks in your windshield are dangerous. When you're driving, even a small chip might pose a serious risk. Light is refracted by glass shards and cracks, filling your cabin with dizzying flashes. Your windshield may also abruptly fail if it has larger chips and cracks. Nowadays, the majority of vehicle glass has a thin layer coating that keeps it together. This implies that while it's improbable that glass fragments will suddenly erupt into your lap, a sudden windshield failure could result in you losing control of your car. Your windshield is another important component for safety. In the event of a collision or if you hit an animal, it helps stop things from flying within. The structural integrity of the windshield is jeopardized by shattered glass, which may cause issues in the future. What can you do about windshield cracks? Your cracked windshield has two basic options: replacement or repair. Although pricey, replacement is the best and safest course of action. There are instances where repairs are permissible. Since the 1980s, when the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) established guidelines for glass restoration, windshield repairs have become commonplace. Products and methods for glass repair have significantly advanced since then. Today, you may locate windshield repair services in your neighborhood car dealership or garage as well as in many large mall parking lots. Small chips and spider cracks that are less than an inch broad can typically be fixed using current techniques. Long cracks are far more challenging to repair and less dependable. You may have trouble finding a remedy that is satisfactory if a crack is longer than 12 inches. You must immediately replace your windshield if the crack crosses the glass from one side to the other. Is it expensive to replace a windshield? One free windshield per year is provided by several insurance companies or vehicle clubs. Drivers may hesitate to fix their glass when they should, so they do this to lower their chance of a future collision or incident that could be more serious. The price of a windshield repair can range from $20 to $200. Even using DIY kits, you may do it yourself and save money. For the majority of automobiles, a complete replacement will cost you between $200 and $800. The cost to replace heater filaments or embedded sensors in a car, truck, or SUV might reach $2,000 in some cases. When cameras or radar sensors, such as the Subaru EyeSight system, need to be calibrated for the new glass, the price goes up once more. Preventing windshield cracks. Although windshield damage is occasionally inevitable, there are steps you can take to lower your risk. One is to develop your ability to read the road and take precautions to avoid hazards like potholes. The other is to stay clear of big trucks or construction equipment since they might throw stones after them.